I'm not buying this one. 960, 2 terabyte, 960 Pro. Why is that one so expensive? All right, let's get some storage. Where am I putting all of my data? Let me know. Should I go SSD, M.2 SSD, M.2 NVMe SSD? I'm not getting a hard drive. There's no way I'm getting a spinning platter disk. That's not happening. I'm not a masochist. I do want something fast. I think, well, first, let me know in the comments. Right now, pause the video, write a comment. You're an idiot. You need an HDD. They're large capacity, and what you do doesn't need to be done quickly. I don't think anybody's going to say that, but yeah, I could be surprised. Let's go ahead and choose some storage. Price-wise, let's go ahead and bump it up so that we get rid of all the ones that are no longer included. Brands, I am going Samsung and Samsung only. I want an SSD. Samsung has some of the best SSDs on the market, so that's the only ones I'm going to look at. Capacity, I want at least a terabyte. There we go, 1,000 gigabytes, which is a terabyte. Here are the different types of drives. I don't want any of the ones that say RPM because that's a spinning disk drive. I don't even think Samsung, I guess Samsung does make one of the, okay, SSD, let's eliminate those 4 that are right there. Form factor, M.2 all the way. So the numbers that follow that, is that the size? Is that how long it is? Let me know in the comments if that's what those numbers mean, but I know I'm gonna go with M.2. I'm not gonna go with a PCIe. Those are just too expensive. There are some incredible options there, but boy, are those expensive. So we're gonna go with that. NVMe, yes. I only wanna see NVMe drives, and yes, there is a difference between just M.2 and M.2 NVMe. All right, let's go ahead and sort by price here. Looks like this $177 one is the cheapest. It also has the most reviews, and it looks like, okay, I'm not buying this one. 960, 2 terabyte, 960 Pro. Why is that one so expensive? All right, we're gonna go with the 970 Evo. I'm good here. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my build, and I'm not going to add another drive. I'm not gonna add a large spinning disk drive because I have a secret card to play up my sleeve. I can add in other drives that I already have here. I don't need to purchase them, but is that a terrible decision? Should I just get another storage drive? Let me know in the comments. Is 1 terabyte not gonna be enough? Right now I have a 1 terabyte drive, external 1 terabyte drive that I haven't quite filled with like ongoing projects. Once the project's done, it gets offloaded. So let me know, am I dumb? Should I get something better? Drop it in the comments.